That's a powerful and cinematic title. Here are a few ways we could expand it, depending on what you'd like. Headline style summary. An ambitious HOA thought they struck gold when they developed 139 vacation cabins around a serene private lake. They marketed it as an exclusive paradise, never knowing the lake wasn't theirs to control. It belonged to a black man whose family had owned it for generations, along with the dam that kept the waters in place. When the HOA ignored him, he simply opened the floodgates, literally. The cabin stood no chance as nature reclaimed the land. Story hook. Opening scene. The morning mist rolled off the surface of the lake, curling around the newly built cabins like a warning no one could hear. Families sipped coffee on decks overlooking the calm water, proud of their HOA's latest achievement. But what they didn't know was that the lake itself wasn't theirs, not the water, not the dam, not even the shoreline. It all belonged to a man they had dismissed as irrelevant. And when he decided he'd had enough, he didn't call a lawyer, he pulled the lever on the dam, and nature came roaring back to claim what was hers. Possible directions. Konekno thumbs up a estalaudila vas tu senu istoriu po zagalovku, bedna devaka napavala pesnu, sista, Mustang, millionera, on uznal melodiu iponal. Sina 1. Utro nasinalos taiho I pakti nezametno dila ogromnego osobnaka, jid kazdo deviizani abikno sopravazdalos gulam teniki ili saroham obswujavazgo personala, no vozal garaza, jid stol arko krasnij, Mustang, Kerala osoba atmosfera, malinkaa hudankaa devaka let vinodkati sklonilas nad kuzavam masani, ostorzno vitera ego trapkoj, ona ne rabatala zadiz officialno, prosto pomagala vorniku, sitobi zarabatat peru monet, e deviizani abili nuverenimi, no vi ni kuvstiviovelos starani, kazdo patnisko ona satelno ubirila, slovno od adago zavasela e sudba, iv atod moment, zabavsis, devaka taiho napavala melodiu, nekto nezno, tagu si, vi kotorum slisalis tosca I svet odnavrmeno, ona ne nala slov, tolko motiv, no on zavukal tok sisto I iskren, sito vazda, kazalos, drozel vimest esne, visokij muschina, hosane osobnaka, visel na bakan, sobiraz v oseradnoj delavoy zavanik, ego glaza slukajno upali na malanku figurku u masani, on uz hotel strogo sprazit, kato pozvalo rabenku prikasatsa k ego kolekcionamu mustangu no ostanavilsa, uc ulavili melodiu, ot kotoraj srdci predatelski shalos, ego dihani spilos, ved ado bila ta sama pesna, kotoru manogo led nazid pela emu mat perd snom, melodia, uterana v glubina pamati, v drug ozila v golos atoi devaki, Sina 2, millioner spustilsa venez, sagi ego bili tazalami, no vizglad, strano magkim, devaka vizidronula, zametiv ego, edge pokazalos, sito sekazi proganot, mozit, days nakrakit, ona uz godovilas ubazat, no muschina taiho skazel, otkuda tai zines atu pesnu, e glaza rasiralis, iona rastarano pozala plekami, a visegda e napavo, mama usala, kogda bila ziva, ona govarilla, sito ada melodia pomagate ne kuvstiviovit golid, v grudi muskani sito tanadlamalos, ego mat pella tu z kalibal, kogda oni zili v bednosti, dutogo, kak on vervalsa v mir biznesa, kak mogla ada devaka zinat tu, sito prinadlazalo tolko ego samum ranum vospomenanium, v ego srdci zarodilos kuvstivo, kotaro on davno poteral, sostradani, v atod moment blesk, mustanga, peristal imet zinasani, on smatral na hudu, v paloi odes devaku iponimal, eta vistreka, ne slukajnost, pesnus vazala e, slovno most mezdu proslam I nastosum. 1. Legal revenge story deed, water rights, easements. 2. A clash of arrogance versus ancestral ownership. 3. A symbolic, nature versus greed, parable with cinematic destruction.